Good morning, all of you. Today we have to revise the chapter 3, properties. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
properties and the questions. Please, all of you sit straight and see in your book question number 7 of 3.2. In previous class, I have explained till question number 6. Okay, and please open your copies where you have written the answer I have given you. So please see there. Now I'm explaining and see in your copy. Question number 7. First, the budget for a birthday party. Birthday party you are celebrating, no? So when birthday party, we have a make a budget. So budget was 50,000. Our parents make a budget that we have to do the party, and party is of 50,000. Our guests are coming. Now out of this, 17,500 was spent on refreshment. Okay, 17,500 spent on refreshment, and then 25,750 was given to the event management company, the company which we hire for the arrangement of the party, that the company. Okay, so we have to give the 25,000 to that company for the arrangements, and 17,000 given to the refreshments, and 4,580 was given to the tips to the workers. The workers means the waiters. Okay, those who are working there for the party and attending the guest. And the balance amount means out of 50,000, we have to make the budget of 50,000. Not we have to spend more than that. So out of 50,000, we have to adjust all the things. So the balance amount was given to the charity. Charity means the old age home, orphanage home, like that, charity. Find the amount given for the charity. Now you have to take the amount given for the charity. Okay, now see here. Now what we have to do, our budget is 50,000. Okay, this is our budget. Now out of this, we have spent 17,500 for the refreshment. Okay, 25,750 we have given to the company, and 4,580 was given to the tips to the workers. Okay, so what is the total amount which we have spent is 47,830. Now our budget is of 50,000 and we have spent 47,000 on all these items. So some money is left. Some money is left. So with what money is left, and the balance money we have given to the charity. Now take out the money which is left and we have given to the charity. So what we have to do, out of 50,000, you have to subtract 47,830 which we have spent. Okay, so what is the amount? 2170. Okay, what is the amount? 2170. So this amount, it means this amount 2170 given to the charity. Given to the charity. Understood? This is your question. All of you understood now? Out of some money we have given to the charity. How we find out? Understood all of you? Very good. Now see the next question. Your next question is, find the product of. Product means multiply. Product means multiply. Okay, find the product of greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Okay, and the greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number is 999. Now we have to multiply it. But using the property of whole number, you will not multiply like this. Only you have to write 4 nines multiply by 999. But which property you are using here? Distributive property of multiplication. Distributive property लगाएंगे हम कैसे? Listen here. First you have to write 4 nines multiply 3 nines. Okay. Now what you have to do? First number remain as it is. No change. Okay. No change in the first number. You write first number as it is, multiply. You have to break this number. 999 nearby 1000. 999 से +1 करो क्या आता है? 1000. So you have to write 1000 minus 1. Okay, so 1000 minus 1 is 999. So what we have now, we are using the distributive property. Multiplication is there and minus is there. So which property we are using? Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, at the side you have to write the property name of the property. You have to write. Okay, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Now how we solve? Now with 4 nines you have to multiply with 1000, and with 4 nines we have to multiply with 1. Okay, now multiply. When you multiply 4 nines multiply by 1000 minus 4 nines multiply by 1. Okay, so what is the answer? 4 nines and 3 zeros minus 4 nines. Okay, multiply these two and multiply these two. Now you have to subtract it. Please subtract it in your copy and give me the answer. I'm waiting. Within 1 minute you have to give me the answer fast. Minus it. Yes. Who will give me fast? 1000? No, beta. Bhargavi, please do again. This number, 4 nines and 3 zeros. Wrong, Udita. Minus 4 nines. Yes, Nimrat. Good, Ashley. Krishita, please check your answers. Only you have written the 00. Now, what is your answer? 9989001. Please don't write. I'm not able to write. 0. Zero, 1. 9989001. Okay. Yes, good. Understood all of you? So you have to don't multiply simple multiplication. You have to use the property. It is easy for you. Okay. Any number. Listen one thing more. If your multiplication is 999 and 99. Now suppose any multiplication is coming. So what you have to do? 999 as it is. Multiply by, break this number, 100 minus 1. Okay, you have to break this number. So what you have to do? This number you have to multiply with 100 and 999 multiply with 1. So 999 multiply by 100 minus 999 multiplied by 1. So it is 99900 minus 999. Okay, when you subtract 10 minus 9, 1. 10 minus 9, 1. 8. 18 minus 9, 9. Then here 8, 9. Here 0. Sorry. Okay, so 99900 minus 999. 10 minus 9, 1, 0, 9899901. Yes, very good. Understood, all of you? So you have to write the solve with the property only. So which property you are using? Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Understood, all of you? Okay. Next, your next question is question number 9. A quire of paper contains 144 sheets. Ali purchased 13 quire in January. Listen, a quire of paper. What is a quire? Quire means listen, you know what is rim? Rim means a bundle of papers. So quire is a out of rim 25 sheets. Quire means 25 sheets out of a bundle. ठीक है, क्वायर्स को बोलते हैं पूरे बंडल में से 25 शीट्स. इसको हम बोलते हैं क्वायर ऑफ शीट्स. मींस लिटिल शीट्स. ओके, यस. सो a quire of paper contains 144 sheets. So एक क्वायर के अंदर in one quire, ठीक है, in one quire how many sheets? 144 sheets. Okay, then Ali purchased 13 quires in January, 15 quires in February. January में कितनी quires खरीदी उसने? 13. February में in Feb 15 quires and March में 12 quires. Okay, so find the total number of sheets purchased by him. Total number, please underline the word total number. Total number of sheets purchased by him in these 3 months. In these 3 months, कितनी sheets खरीदी? But in one quire is 144 sheets. So in January, 13 multiply by 144 करो, 15 multiply 144 करो, और 12 multiply by 144 करो. क्यों? Because these are quires. Okay, 13, 15 and 12 are quires, and in one quire 144 sheets are there. So in 13 quire how many sheets? 13 multiply 144, 15 multiply 144 and 12 multiply 144. So all are in January आ जाएगा 1872 plus 2160 and then add all these plus 1728. When you multiply 13 into 144 आ जाएगा 1872. 15 into 144 2160. 12 into 144 1728. When you add all these 5760 sheets. Okay, क्या आ जाएगा ये? Sheets. Understood? So these are the total sheets which he purchased by him in these 3 months. Okay, so one quire 144 sheets, and in January he buy only 13 quires. 13 quire मतलब 13 bundles. Quire मतलब छोटा bundle, उसने 13 bundles खरीदे. तो एक क्वायर में 144 शीट्स होती हैं, तो 13 क्वायर में कितनी हुई शीट्स? 13 multiplied by 144. Okay, So February में 15 into 144, March into 12 into 144. समझ आ गई? In one choir 144 sheets. In 13 choir you have to multiply with 144, क्योंकि एक choir मतलब एक bundle में आप choir को लो bundle. In one bundle 144 sheets are there. So in 13 bundles. In 13 bundles, how many sheets are there? More sheets are there, na? So you have to multiply with 144. Understood that? Now understood? Okay. Good. Now this is the exercise which we have finished. Please all of you do all the work in your copy neatly and do it yourself. Don't see here and there. Okay? One exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3 may only this pattern is there. So no need to do it. Do in the book only. It is not coming in the paper. Okay? So till 3.2, do properly. Okay? Now any doubt, if you have any doubt, then you will tell me. All of you understood? If you have any doubt, good Samvedna, no doubt. Good. Very good. Pavni, you also no doubts. If you have no doubt, please put show me a thumbs up. Good. I can see. Very good. Hina, any doubt? Supriya, I can see from here. Okay, I'll ask from one by one. Ananya Sharma, please unmute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please explain this question number 9 again.
बच्चा देखो, choir, you take choir as a bundle. Okay, अगर एक बंडल में 144 शीट्स है तो 13 बंडल्स में कितनी शीट्स हुई? 13 multiply by 144, ज्यादा शीट्स हुई ना? So we have to multiply with 144. Okay, तो in 15 choirs mean in 15 bundles में कितनी शीट हुई? अगर एक बंडल में 144 शीट्स है तो 15 बंडल्स में कितनी हुई? Multiply by 15. समझ आई?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to multiply.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Any other girl? Please, after your doubt, please put your hand down. Next is Udita Mahajan. Udita, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, बच्चा बोलो.
मैम जो आपने 7th क्वेश्चन समझाया वो मुझे समझ नहीं आई.
Okay. When anytime party is in your home. Okay. So अगर आपके पेरेंट्स ने 50,000 का बजट बनाया कि 50,000 मुझे खर्च करने हैं, उसमें से 17,000 की रिफ्रेशमेंट आ गई. रिफ्रेशमेंट मतलब केक, चिप्स, जो आपकी बाकी खाने पीने का सामान हो गया, डिनर हो गया, मम्मा ऑर्गेनाइज किया डिनर, तो उसमें कितना खर्चा हुआ? 17,500. ठीक है. और जिस कंपनी को बुलाया, मैनेजमेंट को बुलाया, एक उन्होंने हायर किया कि हाँ आप आइए हमारे घर में और हमारी सारी अरेंजमेंट कर दीजिए. किसी कंपनी को हायर कर दिया, मैनेजमेंट को. ठीक है. उनको उन्होंने दिया 25,000, उनको दे दिया. ठीक है. और जो उधर वेटर्स लगे थे उनको उन्होंने 44,500 दे दिया. बट वी हैव द बजट ऑफ 50,000. पेरेंट्स को पता है कि हमारा बजट कितना है? 50,000 का.
50,000.
ठीक है. हाँ, तो आउट ऑफ 50,000, 17,000 gone to the refreshment, 25,000 gone to the event management, and 4,000 goes to the workers. So how much money is left? So you have to add the three expenditures and subtract it from the main money, 50,000. तो जितना पैसा बच गया वो आपने चैरिटी में दे दिया. समझ आई?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ आ गई? वो आपने कहाँ दे दिया? चैरिटी में दे दिया है ना? ओके, नेक्स्ट हैंड किसका है? पारनिका गुप्ता. पारनिका, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
यस मैम.
हाँ जी बेटा बोलो.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 समझ नहीं आया.
Question number 8, product of greatest 3-digit number or 4-digit number you have to write. Okay, 4-digit and 3-digit. तो 4-digit आपने पहले किया था. You have to write the property. You have to do with the property. देखो मैं पहले समझाया 4 9s and 3 9s. तो क्या करना है आपने? बड़े नंबर को as it is रहने दो. 4 9s you have to write as it is and you have to break the 3 9s. 3 9 को अगर हम +1 करें क्या आता है? 1000. हमने जीरो वाले टर्म के पास जाना है. तो कितना आ जाएगा? 1000. मतलब हम 999 को और तरीके से कैसे ले सकते हैं हम? 1000 - 1. ओके, देन हाँ, ये हमारी कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी हो गई? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन ओवर सब्ट्रैक्शन.
Subtraction.
This you have to multiply with 1000 and this number you have to multiply with 1.
Okay ma'am.
So 4 9s multiply by 1000 minus 4 9s multiply by 1. Then you have to solve it. 4 9s 0 0 0 minus 4 9s. Then you have to subtract it. Subtract करना तो आता ही है. 9 9 8 9 0 0 1. This is your answer. Understood?
Okay ma'am. Yes ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
Okay. Mute yourself. Next hand is of Anasvi. Unmute yourself. Yes, Anasvi.
Yes ma'am.
हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
मैम 2.8 एक्सरसाइज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ही मुझे समझ आया.
2.8.
यस मैम.
2.8 first question. Okay. The length of a floor is 3 meter 30 centimeter and the breadth is 4 meter 44. ये इकट्ठे हैं. 3 meter 30 टुगेदर है. 3.30 कर सकते हो आप इसको या 330 सेंटीमीटर लिख सकते हो. मीटर बीच में से हटा दो. ये इकट्ठा बन जाएगा 330 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, ब्रेथ हो जाएगी 444 सेंटीमीटर. So what is the maximum length of square tiles that can completely cover the floor? Okay, so अगर आप देखो किसी भी क्वेश्चन में maximum greatest बोला जाएगा, so you have to take out the HCF. Please write it down. Whenever in the question, find what is the maximum, find out the greatest number. So you have to take out the HCF. Understood? What you have to take out? HCF. जिस क्वेश्चन में आपको बोलेंगे find out the जिस क्वेश्चन में आपको बोलेंगे टेक आउट द स्मॉलेस्ट लीस्ट नंबर, तो आपने उसमें क्या निकालना है? एलसीएम. ठीक है, हाँ ये ध्यान रखना. इसमें बोला है व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम लेंथ, सो यू हैव टू टेक आउट द एचसीएफ ऑफ 330 एंड 444. तो जितना भी एचसीएफ आएगा दैट इज योर मैक्सिमम लेंथ ऑफ स्क्वायर टाइल.
ओके मैम.
ओके ओके.
ओके मैम.
नेक्स्ट हैंड इज ओके. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. Hina, unmute yourself. Hina, where is she? Unmute yourself, Hina. Yes.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, your question is.
Ma'am, in third chapter review time,
Uh-huh.
ma'am, there is a question number 9.
Okay, leave that question. That is a difficult one. Please leave that. Don't do statement questions. Question number, wait, 8, 9, 10. Question number 8, 9, 10, please don't do. Do the simple questions. Okay?
Okay,
From the
ma'am.
review time. Don't do. That is difficult one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Thank you,
Anything
ma'am.
else?
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
bacha. Bhumika Gloria, unmute yourself. Bhumika Gloria, unmute yourself, beta. Yes. Bolo. Bhumika. Bani, what are you doing? Sit straight. Okay, next hand is Bhargavi. Unmute yourself. Bhargavi,
Yes,
unmute.
ma'am. Yes,
हाँ जी,
ma'am.
बच्चा बोलो.
Ma'am, exercise 2.10 का 5th question.
Exercise 2.10. 5th question. Okay. 5th question है find the least number. Least आ गया. So what we have to do? LCM.
LCM.
That when divided by 60, 120, 180, but leaves the remainder 5 in each case. When 5 in each case, it means what you have to do? You have to take out the LCM. Okay. Yes, you have to take out the LCM. Then what we have to do? You have to जो रिमाइंडर दिया है ना इन ईच केस बाद में आपने उसको एलसीएम में प्लस कर देना है.
ओके मैम. मैम लेकिन किया
Okay.
तो मैम आंसर पीछे गलत है.
देखो बेटा अलग अलग तरीका है. एक है स्मॉलेस्ट लीस्ट नंबर डिवाइडेड बाय 3 नंबर एंड लीव द रिमाइंडर डिफरेंट. अलग अलग 3 अलग रिमाइंडर्स दिए होते हैं. उसमें तरीका अलग है. उसमें पहले आपने माइनस करना है रिमाइंडर्स को. पर जहां पे दिया होगा लीस्ट नंबर रिमाइंडर ओनली 3 in each case, 5 in each case, वो अकेला नंबर आपने एलसीएम के बाद जाके प्लस करना है. प्लीज सी द एग्जांपल्स आल्सो. इन एग्जांपल्स एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर. See the previous page example. Example number 1. Find the least number which.
मैम वो करके देखा था मैम लेकिन हमारा आंसर अलग आ रहा था और पीछे का आंसर और कुछ आ रहा था.
पीछे वाले आंसर को रहने दो. आप एग्जाम्पल को देख के करो कि कैसे करना है.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है. आप एग्जाम्पल को
मैम
देख के
उसका
करो.
आंसर फिर 365 आएगा.
बेटा मुझे नहीं मालूम. मैंने नहीं निकाला है. You take out answer and add 5 in the answer. You take out LCM and add 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next is Avika. बोलो बेटा. Unmute yourself, Avika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चा बोलो.
Ma'am, I can't understand question number 6 of exercise 3.2.
3.2 question number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
6 I have explained in previous class. See here. If you suppose you are taking part in 2 activities. One is in dance and one in the sports. Okay.
Okay,
when
ma'am.
you go in dance, you have to pay 4,500 per month. Okay. 4,500 per month in the dance and 1,750 per month in the sports. So after 1 year, how much money you have to pay? When you take out a dance, 4,500 per month. एक महीने में दे रहे 4,500. तो 1 year में कितना दोगे? Multiply by 12. Because 12 months in a year.
Yes, ma'am.
So 4,500 12 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे, आपका 1 ईयर का पूरा निकल जाएगा कि कितनी पेमेंट करोगे आप। फिर वैसे ही स्पोर्ट्स में 1750 आप एक महीने में दे रहे हो, तो 1 ईयर में कितना दोगे, मल्टीप्लाई अगेन 12, तो वो निकल जाएगा आपका स्पोर्ट्स का। देन यू हैव टू ऐड टुगेदर डांस एंड स्पोर्ट्स टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन द 1 ईयर। एक साल में कितना खर्चा हुआ आपका, डांस का पूरा निकालो 1 ईयर का, स्पोर्ट्स का निकालो 1 ईयर का, मल्टीप्लाई 12 करके, फिर दोनों अमाउंट्स को प्लस कर दो।
ओके मैम।
Okay,
Ma'am,
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
have to ask one more.
okay, now Japneet Kaur, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Japneet Kaur.
Yes, ma'am. मैम मेरा कनेक्शन कट गया था,
Japneet
मैंने
Kaur,
सुना।
unmute yourself, becha.
यस मैम।
Japneet, unmute yourself. Okay,
Ma'am,
Suhavi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. 2.6 question number 6.
Your voice is not coming.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Your voice is
Ma'am?
not coming, beta. Bolo.
Ma'am, 2.6 question number 6.
2.6.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 6.
2.6, question number 6. Okay. This is determine 27,468 is divisible by 63. My voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Is my voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 27,468 is divided by 63. Means आपने क्या करना है, 63 के factors बनानी है, to make the factors of 63. 63 coming in which table? 7 and 9. 7 9s are 63.
63.
So you have to write the divisibility of 7 also and 9 also. 7 की divisibility
Okay,
से
ma'am.
भी आप देखोगे 27,000 को कि जाता है कि 27 की divisibility बताई थी मैंने आपको, divide करके
Yes. Yes,
double the
ma'am.
last digit and subtract it from the remaining number. Double the last digit and subtract it from the remaining number.
Remaining number.
7 की divisibility करनी है and 9 में add all the digits and sum should be coming in the table of 9. आपने
9.
27,468 को सभी को आपने प्लस करना है और देखना है कि वो 9 के टेबल में नंबर आता है या नहीं आता है। फिर अगर दोनों से यस होगा, 7 और 9 दोनों से यस होगा, मींस 27,468 is going with the 63, is divisible by 63 or not. Okay, you have to see
Okay, ma'am.
from that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next is
Ma'am, I have to ask.
Navleen Kaur. Please unmute yourself. Navleen Kaur.
मैम
Yes, Navleen.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
Ma'am, 2.11 exercise. Ma'am, exercise 2.11.
I can't hear your voice.